Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Zindagi. Today, let's see how to prepare whole wheat pastry flour at home with just 2 ingredients. Whole wheat pastry flour is firm flour with low protein content. It is simple and easy to prepare. For this, take just little more than a cup of whole wheat flour. In a sieve and sift it through the sieve. You can see the process in the video. Repeat sieving for a couple of times, at least 4 to 5 times, and separate the husk. This is the husk that I have separated. Do not throw this husk. You can put this back to your original whole wheat flour and use it for making regular chapatis or rotis. To prepare the pastry flour, now take 1 cup of sieved whole wheat flour, level it and transfer to a separate bowl. Here, I am taking cornstarch. From the sieved whole wheat flour, remove 2 tablespoons of this flour and replace it with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, which means for every 1 cup of sieved whole wheat flour, add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and mix it well, and the pastry flour is ready. This is my whole wheat pastry flour. You can use this pastry flour to bake all types of breads, cakes, muffins and many more items. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Happy cooking Zindagi!